Hi guys, welcome to Kenneth Choo TV. It is a place for entrepreneurs to learn all the tools, the tricks, and the strategies of being an entrepreneur. In this video, how it can help you to save time, to save money, and all the hassle, all the trouble of coming out with content, coming out with copywriting. So today I'm going to share with you this amazing tool that I've come to know of, and it's been introduced by a copywriter friend of mine. And ever since then, I have been really amazed by that. And I'm going to share with you in this video how it can help you to save time, to save money, and all the hassle, all the trouble of coming out with content, coming out with copywriting. And this has been a tool that I've been amazed by it in the past 2 weeks ever since I gotten this tool. And I'm going to share with you now in this video how it can help you. So let me just share my screen and I'm going to share with you how this tool can help you. So just give me a while I just hop on and introduce you to what is this tool all about. This tool that I'm talking about is Jarvis. So Jarvis is your AI copywriting assistant that will help you to write all the high converting copy for increased conversion and also a higher ROI. So it instantly generates high quality copy for your ads, email, website, listing, blogs, and So that's where I'm going to share with you and tell you more about Jarvis and what is Jarvis all about. So as you can see from here, the heading, let Jarvis write your copy. In short, in your copy, anything about your content. All right. So there's a video that you can watch, and then these are all the testimonials from thousands, 10,000s of copywriters, entrepreneurs, and agency. It's all over here. You can read about it. And this is Jarvis, this very cute AI robot. So Jarvis is your new AI copywriting assistant. So forget about the endless hours spent on writing blogs, posts, marketing, emails, sales pages. Now you can let your AI copywriting assistant Jarvis do it for you. So you can write high converting copies and it's original. For those already a writer, it will help you to end your writer block. Because for me, when I wrote my book, it was about 17,000 words, about 10 chapters, and I can tell you that it's not easy to really continue consistently on writing. And how Jarvis can help you to generate dozens of relevant headlines. So this is something that is really amazing, especially for me as an author, speaker, consultant, even for my clients, for my digital agency. It has helped me a lot, and it can easily adjust the tone. That means the way that your writing is, the style of your writing. And you can translate your content to 25 and more languages. They are increasing it day by day. And what I like about it, right, and who is Jarvis a perfect fit for? Is for entrepreneurs like me, and also marketers like me, because I own a digital marketing consultancy, and also last but not least, agency. So Jarvis is really a good fit for you. So if you are an entrepreneur, you are a marketer, or you are from an agency, or even you are a blogger, or even you are a content creator, this tool will really help you. All right. So this is all the ranking for 5-star. For me, it's definitely a 5-star. All right. So this is so simple. It is like using Jarvis is so simple. Later I will show you in the dashboard how it is all about. So Jarvis is trained by all copywriters. You just choose a scale and then you input your product detail. You don't have to write much also. Later I will show you. And also you can generate AI content from there. And I will show you how fast Jarvis can generate content. All right. So what can Jarvis write for you? You can write with all these templates. There's 50 plus templates that you can use. You can leverage on. So if you're not a copywriter or you are a copywriter, you may know of some framework that copywriter use, like the AIDA framework, problem agitate solution framework. So there's a lot of tools that you can use that copywriters are familiar. Even you are not a copywriter, all these templates is very useful, okay, for all starters. All right, so you can write product description. Like for me, I use it for my e-commerce shop. I get Jarvis to rewrite all my description, product description, and it's very, very compelling and engaging. And for content improver, there's a lot of things that I can do. You can get Jarvis to rewrite it in whatever tone you want, all right? And you can get him to write creative stories, blog posts, topics, outline. I use a lot of blog posts because I want to generate as many articles as possible, as we know that content is king. And the more you can put out content consistently, if let's say a blog post every week, it will be all really awesome. Sentence expander. This is also a tool. So basically for us who are Jarvis certified, right? Later I'll show you how you can be Jarvis certified. Okay, we set sentence expander. If let's say you only have a very short sentence, maybe about 5 to 6 words, Jarvis will be able to help you to write and expand it even longer. So feature to benefit, this is very powerful for those who are doing product-based business or e-commerce selling products, because you want to share the features in terms of benefit. How can you do that? So for those who are doing Facebook ads, this is awesome. Like Facebook ad headlines, it's going to generate all the scroll stopping headlines for Facebook ads. This is really awesome. Personal bio, I've used it for all my bios, for my speaker bio, for my event speakers bio. I've used it to rewrite it. Facebook ad tags. My company bio have changed using this also, and Google ads. If you're doing Google ads, if you are doing your website, you want to optimize your website, you can use all this. They will generate SEO, title, meta description, and all that. And if you're into e-commerce, you're selling on Amazon, eBay, or any marketplace, you can use this function. Product features is really, really awesome. You'll be surprised how much Jarvis knows. And then real estate, for really skilled towards property, property expert, property agent, real estate realtor, and all that. So description again, engaging question. This is very good for those who are very active on LinkedIn. You can always post question or post a poll, and you can ask engaging questions. And perfect headline, these are for people who want to do maybe a certain article, or you are writing for your clients, you want to get people's attention, you can use this. Or there's a lot, like 50 over. I can't show it to you, but definitely in my upcoming video, I will show you each individual template, how you can use it and how you can benefit as an entrepreneur per se. All right, so a lot of this tools is here. So there's also a Q&A that you can go through. So for the main website, there's a lot of things you can go through to find information before you embark on the journey. So a lot of testimonials. This is something I like about it, because Jarvis community in Facebook, they are up to date. They are about 30,000 of them. So it's really, really awesome. You see, all these are all the testimonials, real time. It's all posted here. Okay, so you can create content faster with artificial intelligence. So for me personally, today is just an introduction to Jarvis. I just want to introduce Jarvis to all of you, because Jarvis has helped me personally in the past 2 weeks, have generated about 80,000 words. In fact, in 2 weeks, I've basically written like 4 books of my own, because I have my own book, which is Mother Industrialist, that took me a month to write, and there's only 19,000 words. So imagine, it took me a month, 19,000 words. As for Jarvis, I've generated 80,000 words, coming to 100,000 words in the past 2 weeks only. So I would say that for me, I love it so much, because it helped me to be more efficient in producing content. And I really hope that this review or this introduction to Jarvis the AI copywriting assistant will help you in your business. So if you guys have any questions, you can leave it down in the comments and I will definitely reply you. If not, it will also help me to do up another video to explain or share more of how Jarvis can help you. So if you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe. And last but not least, let me know what are your thoughts about this video, about this introduction to Jarvis. And if you have heard of Jarvis, what is stopping you from embarking on this journey? So if you want to find out more, everything is in the description. And if you want to give Jarvis a try, you can always hop on board because there's a 7 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can always refund it. Just drop them an email to Jarvis team and they will refund you immediately. So if you have any question and if you want to give it a shot, I would advise that you can start with the starter plan, which is at 20,000 words for you to try it out first for the first 7 days. And if you really like it, then you can choose to upgrade it. It's really up to your choice. But I believe for me personally, I start off with the starter plan. And frankly speaking, on the second day, I have hit 17,000 words on the second day. So it is a no-brainer for me to really upgrade to the top plan or the pro plan. Or now I'm on the boss mode. So I hope that you guys give it a shot, give it a try to generate. But before that, do check out all the tutorials. I will be also doing out tutorial in my channel, Kenneth Choo TV. So if you like this video, just remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.